Get the video evidence while driving that you've been missing with the new Viofo A329S telephoto camera add-on. As we drive here, you can see this Nissan Rogue is about 4 or 5 car lengths ahead of us, and the telephoto lens add-on zooms right in on the license plate and gets it clear as day as though it's right in front of you. Now, the benefit of actually having this style system is the telephoto lens will actually zoom in at 4 times zoom in order to actually get the license plates. However, if somebody was to hit you on the sides, you actually have the normal A329S front camera with 4K resolution that has wide viewing angle to get out the sides. And as we're rolling up to this intersection here, you can see the telephoto lens actually zooms in. Well, let's make a right, and we're on the Las Vegas Strip. You can see Treasure Island on the right-hand side, and at top, the telephoto continues to zoom in on all the license plates. You can see the Honda Civic on the left-hand side that we're actually passing. You can see the license plate clear as day, 2629C8, and that is perfect. That's what we want out of the telephoto. This is a great combo, having the wide viewing angle out the front of the 4K resolution camera and the telephoto that can zoom in. And you can see the Toyota Highlander. You can see 395X00 on the left-hand side as well. And see the 4K camera down below is not picking it up. We're just too far away at this point in time. So, but as we get closer, let's say something was to happen where we're alongside this Highlander and they end up sideswiping us. Well, what'll end up happening is now we've already got that critical license plate information from earlier on as we were driving up to it. All sorts of crazy stuff happens, especially on the Las Vegas Strip. I know, I was there recently and I got cut off like 4 or 5 times. It was actually quite intense, the amount of cutoffs. So you can see the telephoto is getting this BMW X5's license plate clear as day. Take a look at your right and enjoy the show at the Bellagio Fountains. And as we continue driving, let me know, what do you think? Do you think this is a good investment to telephoto? Or do you think it's more of a gimmicky dash camera accessory? Love to hear your comments down below. Thanks again. And I'll let you enjoy the rest of the Las Vegas Strip with some music. Thanks for watching, and if you are looking to support us in any way, check us out, safedrivesolutions.com, where we offer professional dash camera installation in Greater Vancouver or Greater Toronto, and we also ship products to the United States and Canada on our store. Thanks again.